Expanding to new marketplaces shouldn't mean building listings from scratch. Instead of scaling, you're wasting 15 to 20 hours weekly on manual work. Enter LitCommerce to cross-sell to multiple marketplaces. Easily cross-list your products across top marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and more. Just import what you have, or upload a few photos. Then, our next-gen AI will generate title, description, and more. Create ready-to-sell listings in seconds. Plus, your images are securely hosted to reuse across channels. No data mismatch. Our tool customizes all key listing fields for each channel in one place. 15-minute cycle, price, and inventory sync to eliminate overselling. Centralize all your orders and fulfill them without leaving your workflow. Managing multiple accounts or selling globally? We do have, so you can safely target different niches with each store. Scale your sales, not your workload. Try LitCommerce for free today.